So at this point, he has only like 10 health left. And he plays, "The gates are open." And I'm like, look at how much I care. I don't care. I ended up buffing up my guys and doing...
Run out of life.
I ended up buffing up my guys and doing like 70 damage. I ended up buffing up my guys and doing... Was that the convict?
Yeah, I think so.
What are we supposed to do when someone tries to escape again?
I think shoot him.
Ah yes, that sounds right. I ended up buffing up my guys and... Oh, come on. Are you serious? That was totally you.
You what? Don't you accuse me.
Come on, just admit it.
It wasn't me.
Run out of life.
Alright boys, lunch is on me.
Run out of life.
Oh!
Ayu, 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 ayu,
Just a box.
This AI.
Someone just leave?
I think it was Smith.
Yeah, probably off to see his family.
Yeah.